nice to be here, and I'm thankful to the organizers.
Put a tremendous effort to organize this seminar today here. Trying to work out how sustainability is achieved in terms of printing inks.
For your kind gesture and by taking up this assignment and spending your valuable time to collect the interesting and important questions from the groups. My sincere thanks to Mr. Ramakrishna Karan, CEO of Sigwork India, for accepting our request to be a panel member.
Say 8 zones per page. Each zone will have different aptitude of each color of it. But these are open.
In India, we have one of the strongest footprints.
As you know, the packaging industry has been changing initially some decades ago.
It gives me a very pleasure to speak here, and I'm very happy that all the ink industry, all the ink people are talking.
So can I know that in what relative humidity condition that has been tested?
There are a lot of sustainable initiatives, as all of you have been seen that the industry is taking.
We are afraid of de-inking the product.
And we also have some initiative on the LED curing, which is becoming more and more popular. And then I'll like to talk about one of the older technologies which is making a comeback in the industry. So with that, I'll start with the introduction of Mivon. So Mivon has been quite an old company which has been associated with the UV curing industry for over 40 years.
LED or UV set. As we are looking for, that's more applications.
The digitization of photography, cameras, everything has really changed the way the color things work here. And this has really happened here. There is no differentiation for a printer like us to provide and to earn money.
Even the teachers, you know that once they start, they don't stop for at least 1 hour. So as a motivational speaker, I think my first motivational task is to keep you awake. Audience, I think people sitting here, I maybe consider as the odd man out because you all are from a particular field.
Suhas Pendekar mentioned about the student. So I was one of the students from Ruia and was great enough to have learnings from him, and it's now a tough job after his presentation and the motivation speech to present something, but it's good that the guru spoke first and then the chelas.
Yesterday 6 o'clock in the afternoon, I didn't know I was going to be still here. It was a very inspirational and very learning presentation we had, and I think we can all use it in our companies. I think we should transpose that to many of our colleagues down the line as well.
Yeah, we have now come towards the end of the conference. I hope everyone is awake.
Reason to feel happier, but there is a flip side to it.
We can make it, but what is the point of making it?
India generates 3.6 million tons against 380 million tons of world plastic waste. Hence, whether MSME or MNC, I think sustainability is, as I mentioned in the initial.
So whatever we are doing, we have segregated all of our operations and the processes, whether it is within the organization in our mills or when we are talking about the customers.
And then the scope 3, which is a little bit more tricky, is all the CO2 which is generated to create the raw materials that we are using for your mills. So all the suppliers that we are using, they are also creating CO2. And this is where the exercise we're doing right now.
What is good is yours, what is bad is ours.
Thank you.
and let's disperse.